What is up, Trust Troop? It is Trust to Impress, and I am BDVACK back with another video. You guys already know what it is. I am doing some bomb press-on nails today, okay? So I actually did not create this nail set. This is a custom set that was sent to me by my nail tech, my girl Rachel. Her business is Nailed It by Rachel, as you can see on the screen. Not only did she send my press-on nail set, but she also sent me nail glue, which I'm not going to be using in the video today. And she sent me these clear stick-on stickers that I am going to be using today. Some alcohol pads, and she even sent me a buffer, a nail buffer. So I'm super excited to get these nails on and get it on and popping, y'all. This is going to be one of my Valentine's Day nails looks. So if you have not checked out my other Valentine's Day nails by Rachel, then you need to check those out. Those were by my design. This set that you're seeing in this video is by Rachel's design. So shout out to you, girl. They're super cute. And this is a thermal polish. So it's hot pink, and then when you heat it up, it changes to a light pink, and the glitter is popping. So as you can see, I'm starting the process. I always trim my nails down low first. This is my own nail clipper. She did not send me the nail clipper. If you want details on my in-depth application process to make my nails look as natural for as long as possible, then you have to check out the videos that I have dropped down in the description box below. I'm not going to be going into a lot of details in this video. I really just wanted to share my popping nails with you guys. However, you know, you guys can check that stuff out in my other videos and get all the 411 on all my tips about press-on nails. So now I'm finishing up trimming all of my nails. And it's time to move on to the next step, which is going to be to file or buff the surface of the nail. Oh, I almost forgot. Alcohol pad. So she sent me the alcohol pad, so I'm actually going to use that before I buff. You could do it before or after, but I'm going to go ahead and use it before I buff so my nails can have time to really dry before I try to apply the stickers. All right, now it's time to buff, and this nail buffer is one that was sent to me with the press-ons. So I absolutely love that, and it has the foam so you can kind of brush off the dust as well. I don't think it's too late for you guys to order your very own custom set. I mean, Rachel is absolutely amazing. You can let her know on Instagram that Trust to Impress sent you. And you can pretty much just send her pictures of whatever your idea is. Now, when you're sending someone pictures and you're wanting them to recreate something, please don't expect it to be an exact duplicate. However, she's pretty bomb. She's pretty amazing. And I've only ever ordered this particular shape from her. So this is the shape that I would recommend. It's like a coffin or ballerina shape. And I love the length, but of course, you know, she can cut them shorter, or I'm not sure if she has longer. I'm sure she can make different shapes for you. All right, I just finished up my buffing process, and now I'm about to go ahead and apply the stickers and the nails to my hands. You want to make sure your hands are super clean, dry, no oils whatsoever, and freshly buffed. Now, this helps my stick-on nails to really last and stay on a decent amount of time. Now, as soon as you add soap, water, lotions, oils, all of those things are going to help to loosen up the stickers if you use them in large amounts. So I would advise against that. Try to use hand sanitizer or gloves. This is definitely for super temporary wear. like just a few hours out of the day. So sometimes I'll pop them on when I'm filming or whatever the case. And these nails I've already customized the shape. So I always customize my nails to fit my nail bed, and I suggest that you guys do the same thing if you wear press-on nails. Don't just take them straight out of the pack and apply them and expect it to look like acrylic nails or look natural, because it's not going to happen. It's going to look like you took them out of the pack. And I always push my cuticles back and push the press-on nail towards the cuticle, so everything can look really nice and flush. And you can see here, you don't see any of my natural nail around the press-on nail. Everything looks like a fresh acrylic set. Okay, girl? I mean, that pinky is bomb. Can't tell me nothing, even if you try, okay? So now I'm just going to continue with applying all of my nails. So you guys just sit back and relax and enjoy the show. If you are enjoying the video thus far, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you look below this video and click that thumbs up so that you can rate the video. And then give me some comments down in that comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. Normally, y'all drop beautiful comments down in the comments, but compliments, excuse me. Y'all drop compliments down in the comments below my videos, and I greatly appreciate that. However, I'm open to other things as well. A little criticism never hurt anybody. Some suggestions about press-on sets that y'all would like to see Rachel create never hurt anybody. So you guys, let me know your true thoughts down in the comment section. And I don't know if you guys are observing this, but when I put these stickers on, I like to put the square. One end is square and one end is kind of more rounded. For my nail shape, I like to put the square end towards the edge of my nail and the rounded end towards the cuticle. So you just have to position them however suits your own nail bed, but that's what works for me. You could flip them around, or you could even cut these and customize them, to make them fit your nails better. Whatever it takes to make it look natural, honey, that's what you want to do, okay? We want to be cute, super cute. So yeah, you pretty much just press the sticker down super, super tight, peel the plastic off, and then press your nail down super, super tight. And this process is a little bit fast on this particular section. So you can't see how much time I'm actually spending pressing. But I do put a good bit of effort into it because I like for my nails to stay on without popping off. Now, other than this section of the video, the rest of the video is shown in real time. So this is a super quick process. I think this video is 10 minutes or so. So you can really get an idea of how quickly you can add these on. Think about how long it takes you to do your makeup. Now think about getting a full acrylic set in 10 minutes. It's a go. It's definitely a go. Cute. And the glitter, y'all. This indoor lighting is not doing the glitter any justice. I am going to be so cute on Valentine's Day. So I have my red and nude nails, and then I have my pink nails. So I have nails for the whole Valentine's Day weekend at this point. All right, folks, we are all done, and you can see how beautiful the set came out. They look absolutely gorgeous, and that is in part due to Rachel, who is the most amazing nail tech on the planet, and in part due to my application technique. Love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope that this helps you guys to really get your nails together and popping for the holiday. Last but not least, I want to show you guys what the color change looks like, because the bomb thing about these nails is that the thermal polish, after you've kept the press-ons on for about 20 to 30 minutes, you'll start to see an ombre form. So the section that's touching your finger, which is warmer, is going to turn the lighter pink in this case. And then the hot pink stays on the end on the section that's not touching your warm finger. So they look super, super cute after you've had them on for 20 to 30 minutes. And you guys can see, just dipping them in hot water, you can get an idea of what the lighter pink looks like. And they pretty much immediately start to cool down and go back to the hot pink color. But they are so beautiful, especially for those ladies who can't pick between the hot pink and the soft pink. Love you guys. Make sure you are subscribed, you like, you comment, and you share this video, and I will see you in the next one.